how to record your vocals, not recording your vocals, how to just imagine something, just you're thinking of something, creating something like a beat, and you have an idea, you want to put it into real sheet, right? So you can just get into your DAW FL Studio. Just go to your DAW FL Studio and come up here. There are so many things here you have to follow. So if you follow my channel, you know how to do it and how to navigate in FL Studio. So set my tempo to 101, right? If I go here, there's a tempo, right? So I want the kick. Ta 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 ta. Yeah, like this one now. So I would like to extend it to be like into 2 bars, so that I can even try to regulate the second bar, right? So here, now let me just go down here to copy it. This is a basic way of doing it, so you can do it your own way, but a basic way of doing it, you just go into a piano roll, copy it anyhow you like it. You can say okay, we can do ghost notes in FL Studio. How to do it? Listen. Yeah, that's how to add some ghost notes. Yeah, I think don't overcomplicate things there. So now you can add this one. This you can just do it. Now to add another ghost note in this snappy sheet, so this precaution down here, so you need to just do the ghost note again down here. Yeah, that's what you hear mostly. You hear mostly in beats. Drum loop, yeah, that is your drum loop, right? This is the basic way of doing it. So if I want to add some chords, I can even say, I'm using my keyboard, my computer keyboard. Yeah, so I can go into the plugin Morphine. That's a stock plugin in FL Studio. So go into Morphine, message for these are keys. Yeah, these are keys. Let me just look for a piano or something. How? Yeah, this one is nice. So song, right? So let's go into it and try to figure out what we need to do to come out with a nice chord for this our loop that we've created. So if you are still joining me now, please join and subscribe. Just subscribe to my channel so that we can have more of this type of contents, right? So let's just go into the creation of our chords. What notes will sound fine, nice? We're starting from a note, right? To draw something with these 2 bars here. We want to make a loop just with these 2 bars here. Let's go and look for a nice key. One key, from there will generate so many things. Like this one, I feel it to be so nice, right? So let me take it up. Yeah, something like that. So we have this already. From my own basic knowledge that I know, is just to draw something that I hear in my head with these chords that are giving me, that's going to give me a vibe, right? So from there now I can go up or down. Well, I can go up because generally when you take a key, you have a key from your hand down to up. You're starting from down, from the beginning to up. You're not going down. So black note, then to have a major or a minor. I don't even know that really well, but what I know is what is sounding well is me already. I think this one. I think yeah, now it's not bad. I've done something, so just follow up and see what we will do. Now we want to invert it to take the first notes up. If you are listening so well, you hear this note. This is fantastic. Yeah, take it down so that I can have a bass, right? So now I can go in here, copy, Control C, then Control B and paste. But that pasting, I don't really know how to paste in that same. But so I take it up here, then I control down. It will give me a note. Yeah. Now if I want to lower the notes, the velocity of this the chords down, the bass notes, I can just do it like this. Just lower it, highlight it, and you lower only those ones. Yeah, I think it's better, right? So let's just go and add some spices in it, some juicy shit in it. So hey, if you are from Cameroon, right, that means we want to be musicians, right? Let's forge so hard. It's not easy to be a musician, right? So let's just do it and be like Nigerians. Even can be more than Nigerian shit and make that thing work for us, man. Let's eat that thing. Okay, let's just go into it and then add some spices in this. So we want to load this muffin to our mixer. Well, to load our muffin to our mixer is just to click our mixer. It's not just to carry and put. How will you carry? So now you just take here, just over your mouse wheel over here, and you scroll it up. If I want to be in channel 5 in my mixer, yeah, this is it. So when sending something to your mixer, you need to see whether it's gain stage or not. Gain staging, you don't want to see peaks that are peaks that gives. Don't look at my meta, but I don't even want to go into it. We can do that. We can do this thing on. We can go into this how to use a mixer and change your sound and do.
I don't want to move fast. I want to move correctly. I just don't want to waste no time. If it's something that's going to take us a year to make, if it's something that's going to take us 10 years to make, that's fine, as long as we don't waste no time.